Daily useful Tagalog sentences. Bakit madilim? Why is it dark? Wala bang ilaw? Is there no light? Naputulan ba kayo ng kuryente? Is your electricity been cut off? Tawagan mo nga ang Meralco, alamid mo kung bakit wala tayong kuryente. Kindly call Meralco, find out why there's power outrage. Tinatawagan ko na nga. I'm already calling. Oh, ano daw sabi? What did they say? Wala ngang sumasagot, tumutunog lang. Nobody answers, it keeps ringing. Sige, maya-maya tawagan mo ulit. Alright, call it again later. Baka may inaayos lang na linya. Maybe something is just being fixed on the line. Hintayin mo na lang, maya-maya nandyan na yan. Just wait for it, later it will have. Nakapagbayad ba tayo nung isang buwan? Did we pay last month? Sigurado ka bang nakapagbayad tayo? Are you sure we pay? Oo, nandyan pa nga ang resibo. Yes, there's still the receipt. Napakainit pa naman ang panahon ngayon. The weather is so hot. Hindi tayo makapag-electric fan. We can't use electric fan. Konting tiis lang, hindi naman yan magtatagal. Just a little patience, it won't take long. Lalabas muna ako, magpapahangin lang. I'll just go out and get some air. Sige, balitaan na lang kita kapag dumating na ang kuryente. Okay, I'll just inform you when electricity came back. Sige, bumili ka na din ng yelo sa kabilang kanto. Okay, you also buy ice on the next street. Ilang piraso ba? How many pieces? Isa lang, pantawid init. Just one, so we could survive the heat.